Good morning, kids. Today we are going to learn about the letter Q. The sound of letter Q is Q. Now let's learn to write the letter Q. To make a big letter Q, you are going to make a big circle. And then make a diagonal line. Okay. Again, make a big circle and then a diagonal line. Now it's your turn. Make a big circle and then a diagonal line. That's the big letter Q. Now let's write the small letter Q. Make a curved line up and then a straight line down. Again, a curved line up and a straight line down. Now it's your turn. A curved line up and a straight line down. Small letter Q. Good job, kids! Now, get your paper and pencil and let us write the letter Q. Let us find and circle all the big Q and small letter Q. Are you ready? Big letter Q, small letter Q, big letter Q, small letter Q, small letter Q, and big letter Q. Now let's count how many letter Q in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 letter Q in the picture. Good job, kids! Now let's study the words and pictures that begins with the letter Q. Q is for Quiapo Church. Quiapo begins with the big letter Q because it is the name of a church. Quiapo Church. Q is for Quezon. Quezon. Quezon begins with big letter Q because it is a name of a person. Q is for Quirino. Quirino. Quirino begins with big letter Q. Q is for Quack. Quack. Q is for Quiz. Quiz. Q is for Quarantine. Quarantine. Q is for Quail. Quail. Q is for Quail eggs. Quail eggs. Q is for Quince. Quince. Q is for Quartz. Quartz. Q is for question mark. Question mark. Q is for Queen. Queen. Q is for quilt. Quilt. Q is for quarter. Quarter. Q is for quill. Quill. Q is for quiver. Quiver. Q is for quall. Quall. Q is for quiet. Quiet. Now let's do our activity number 1. Thumbs up if the picture begins with letter Q. Thumbs down if not. Are you ready? Quartz. Quartz. Fish. Fish. Thumbs down. Quilt. Quilt. Thumbs up. Jelly. Jelly. Thumbs down. Quail. Quail. Thumbs up. Activity number 2. Check the picture that begins with the letter Q. Quiapo Church. Quartz. Quirino. Quarter. Quezon. Queens. Quall. Clock. Quill. Quiver. Okay, now let's answer. Good job, kids. Activity number 3. Write the correct beginning sound, big Q or small q. Number 1, Quiapo. Number 2, quiet. Number 3, Quezon. 4, quail eggs. 5, Quirino. 6, queen. Now let's answer. Number 1, Quiapo begins with big letter Q. Number 2, quiet. Small letter Q. Number 3, Quezon. Big letter Q. 4. Quail X. Small letter Q. 5. Quirino. Big Q. And number 6. Queen. Small letter Q. For your art activity, you are going to make this art. Q is for Queenie or Q is for Queen.